Hey guys, welcome back to J Studio, and in this video we'll be doing a very quick unboxing and review of a car speaker for my brand Bolton. Yes, of course, the brand that ruled the music world in 90s, and they are back with a bang. And this is the 6-inch Bolton car speaker, and it's a BT3355. Its model name is BT3355, and of course this is a very good product because Bolton speakers are very good in finishing and their performance. Of course this one also looks pretty good, and also the the power is pretty good. That is a 150 watts maximum, which means I think it's a RMS power because brands like Bolton will print only their RMS power. And also the build quality, also the magnetic size, as you can see, is about a 3-inch in size in magnet, and also very slim, and it's a very good option. Like Sony, Pioneer or JBL is a very good quality product that you can use in your car. Also this one is very good to use in home because this we can use this as a single a box where we get a woofer, a speaker and tutor, so we can have a high, low and mid frequencies all in one speaker and use this in your home in a single box. We don't need a tower box. Since this is a Bolton woofer, quality is assured, performance is assured, and of course pricing is very nice, about 1100 rupees only. So I think for this price from this kind of brand, very famous brand Bolton, with a very nice power, 150 watts of RMS power, it's pretty good. And also the box looks pretty good because they are color toned, the blue, yellow and black, their color tone, and they have used it nicely. And the woofer looks pretty good. 6-inch car speaker, 3-way car speaker with 150 watts of RMS power. So guys, we are not gonna check this the performance because we have not that much time. So this is a very quick unboxing and review. So thus we are coming to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Stay subscribed.